How to deposit money in TradingView. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, you need to choose a broker. If you haven't already select a broker that is supported by TradingView, you can either use one of the integrated brokers such as Robinhood or eTrade. Connect via API with a broker of your choice, for example, Alpaca or FXCM. Follow the broker specific steps to securely link your TradingView account with your brokerage account. Then confirm that the linkage is successful and that live trading is available on TradingView. Then deposit funds directly into your brokerage account using your preferred method like bank transfer, credit card. Ensure your account is adequately funded for trading. Once your brokerage account is funded, you can simply go for the live trading on your TradingView charts, configure order size and risk management settings. So that's the way of how you can deposit money in TradingView.